Hi everybody. Now we are going to observe the microscope parts. So now I have a microscope. This microscope is a compound microscope and the two light compound microscope. So one more microscope is there, that is called dissection microscope. But this is a light compound microscope. Generally it is used in the institutions, educational institutions. But one more compound microscope, that is called electron microscope. We will discuss in next video about that electron microscope. Let me go for basics of microscope. So this is the structure of microscope. So here I have holded this microscope. This part is called handle. So this handle is helpful for lifting the microscope, and I have kept microscope on my hand palm. So here this is known as foot. So this is responsible for placing or adjusting the microscope on the particular surface. Okay, so here we have one more part of the microscope. This is called eye lens. So this eye lens is fixed in the eyepiece. This is called eyepiece. This is eye lens. This eye lens may be 15x, 10x, 20x, 40x, 50x, 100x, more than 100x also. X in the sense times. 15x in the sense 150 times more bigger size we could observe the object or the sample. 15x in the sense 150 times more bigger. 100 in the sense 1 lakhs time 1000 times more bigger. Remember. So eye lens, eyepiece. Next one, this is nose piece. At the end of the nose piece we could observe objective lenses. Okay, so these objective lenses are fixed to the nose piece, and this is adjustable. So this is called knob, coarse adjustment knob. Okay, we can adjust the objective lenses, and below one is known as fine adjustment knob. We can adjust the contrast and blur vision and etc. of the sample. And here we have the black color square shaped structure. This is called stage. So on the stage we have one pair of clips. So these clips are responsible for fixing the slide in its particular place. While observing the sample, we can fix the slide with the help of these stage clips. So one pair of clips we have. And one more special structure we have here. This is called diaphragm. I will show you towards this side. Yes. So this is called diaphragm. So I told you already, this is light compound microscope. So this is a lens, normal lens. Through adjusting this normal lens, we can emit the light into the diaphragm, sunlight. So this diaphragm filter the harmful rays which are entering into our eyes. So the proper unharmful rays only enters into our eyes. So those rays are responsible for observing the object. So here we can dismantle this. Which one? Lens. So we can dismantle this lens. We have dismantled. We kept aside. We can dismantle these clips also. We kept aside. And slide also we kept down. Even we can dismantle this objective lenses. and we can dismantle this. Islands. Even we can dismantle the diaphragm, but we need a screwdriver. Now we are not going to dismantle. We can dismantle this cylinder and nose piece also. So this is the brief information regarding compound microscope. So here we would observe the dismantled parts. Islands, nose piece 10x, 45x, clips, glass slide, lens. Thank you everybody. Good luck.